just came back from a trip and I'm only here one day, and I got this package. Let's see what it is. I think I know, but let's make sure. And I was right. This is a RIPPLEON home level 2 EV charger, and I happen to have a plug-in hybrid Range Rover Sport, so I want to try it immediately. Let's see what we got here. The unit. Here's some of the instructions. Seems pretty basic. I already have one installed out here, but let's see, and let me show you actually. I have this one installed out here, which is on a smaller unit. We're gonna replace it and see how it is. This was good for a while, but we got a new one. So this is the template to install the charger. Let's see how many of these are the same. Maybe we have to do a little drilling, so let me bring it up. Well, looks like we got lucky here with 2 holes. So we got lucky here with 2 holes. We have to drill a couple more. Let's see for the support for the gun. At least 1. We can probably make it work. Let me see here. So there you go. That was an easy installation. I'm too lazy to drill more holes, so I'm using this. This is not perfectly squares, but who cares? I can still use it. And this one looks better than the old one. So let me now read the instructions. Maybe there's an app or something, and we'll be ready to charge. Here's the Range Rover plug-in hybrid. So let's see what we have here in terms of instructions. These are the safety cards, so you need to use this when charging, so nobody can come in and just like plug it in without you authorizing the use of the cards. In this case, I live here by myself, so it's not really that important, but they're there for that use. Here's the app, as I suspected. I'm gonna download it and see what functions I can get through that. That's mainly for charging remotely, controlling the charging cycles. I get new cars every week, so I don't need to do this, but this is a function that can be very useful if you're a regular user of this kind of charger. Can connect through Bluetooth, charging adjustments, you can schedule your charge, you can restore it to factory settings, all different things. More installation instructions. We're ahead of that. So, and if you wanted to hardwire it to the box which is down there, these are the instructions to do that. So you'll have to take off the plug. This part will be done by a professional electrician who did my plug here, so that's if you really need to install this outlet. I already have it, so we're done with that. Let me check the app now. I think it was here. RIPPLEON Energy, download iOS. get plug and chill. So let's see it here. Not to track, but anyway, you will register and that's the way you'll use it again. So now it says add the device, which you're doing now through Bluetooth. Smart box, I'm gonna assume it's that one. A super long cable. I can reach more than the length of the car, so that's pretty good. It's on. It seems to be charging. Let me get the key of the car. That was the beep for the charging, and it's doing it now. It's hard to see, but these lights are circling. There it is. We're charging. We have almost 5 hours to charge the full battery, and this car will give us about I think it's 50 miles of electric power. So we'll come back. It's noon, so by 4 we should be 100%. See you later. So the light here is not turning anymore, I don't think, so that might mean that the charge has completed. Let's check. Yeah, this is off too. %, complete. 61 miles of EV range, which it's pretty amazing. So there you go. The new charger works really well. Was more or less the time, I don't know if what exactly came to 100, but 441. We're done. Good product with this new charger and the Range Rover Sport plug-in hybrid. We can unlock, disconnect. That's the new setup to charge EVs here at home.